Good morning, friends. Wishing a very happy new year. আজ কল্পতরু উৎসব হায়দ্রাবাদ রামকৃষ্ণ মঠে অনুষ্ঠিত হচ্ছে। টুডে we are celebrating Kalpataru Utsav, which is blessed by Ramakrishna Paramhansa Dev. So let's get inside into the premises. You can see Ramakrishna Mutt, such a beautiful place to visit. Once you come to Hyderabad, you must visit this place. So people are chanting mantras, so we have to remove our shoes. Okay, we have to remove our shoes here, then we have to get inside the mud. It was established probably in the year of 1965 or 17 between. So nice, so peaceful place to visit. So you can see there is a book stall. There is a one book stall, one auditorium beside Ramakrishna Mutt. So those who want to stay, so they can stay here. So here it is, Vivekananda Institute of Language. So the teacher come here to teach all the different kinds of languages. So they offer here Bengali also. So you can see the place. चप्पल खोल, जूता कहाँ पे? जूता So I have come here in the morning time. So such a beautiful lawn you can see. দেখতে পাচ্ছেন খুব সুন্দর একটা লন, খুব পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন। এইটা হচ্ছে সেকেন্দ্রাবাদ স্টেশন থেকে 20 মিনিটের দূরত্বে এই রামকৃষ্ণ মঠটা আছে। তো এইখানে লোকে আসছে, তো পিপল আর কামিং ওভার হিয়ার all the way, so they are enjoying. So such a positive vibes you will get. Meditation center. Saradama, Ramakrishna Dev wife. This is a replica of Ramakrishna Mutt. দেখতে পাচ্ছেন রামকৃষ্ণ মঠ।
Shira